Welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. Today, I'll be reviewing a free AI tool that can generate video, text-to-speech, and copywriting. It's currently free, but I'm not sure how long that will last. Let's jump into the review. Let's get started.
To start using this AI tool for free, visit the Credo AI website. You can find the link in the video description. Register using your email or Gmail. After completing the registration, click on the AI video creation option, then select the digital human video. Choose your preferred avatar. Click the language button and select your desired language. Click the voice timbre and choose the voice for your avatar.
Credo AI provides more than 100 digital human images and quickly generates multilingual.
Credo AI provides more than 100 digital human images.
Next, click the AI text button, type your script topic, and click the Start Generating button. Choose your script and select the background option, customize your avatar, and click the Audition button.
Introducing ChatGPT, the ultimate conversational AI that's revolutionizing the way we interact online. With state-of-the-art language models and advanced natural language processing, ChatGPT is your go-to solution for seamless and engaging communication.
Finally, click the Generate Video option and start generating your video.
Introducing ChatGPT, the ultimate conversational AI that's revolutionizing the way we interact online.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this AI tool review, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.